Hello everyone, here I am again, Mr. Deli Shoes here. I am going to present to you today our lesson number 3 as I have promised you. We are going to be discussing on substitution or evaluating algebraic expression, okay? So we have already done the first presentation that was on simplifying algebraic expression. That was the first one. And the second one was the factorizing algebraic expression. And of course, I am going to check your activity first on the assigned activity that I asked you to do while waiting for my third video. Okay, the third video tutorial, mathematics for the grade 8 students. Now actually the grade 7, the grade 9, the grade 10, the grade 11, the grade 12, or even college students can also attend to this video tutorial, because after all, this is all about revision. Tutorial is about giving you or reminding you or recalling about what you have already learned, because the more you repeat, the more you remember. Okay? So, that is what we are going to do today's lesson. Okay? Our lesson number 3 is on substitution topic, which is evaluating algebraic expression. So hi everyone, this is Mr. Deli Shoes. I am a teacher by profession, and I am using my vlog for this situation nowadays that we are having the pandemic. So the schools in Papua New Guinea, from primary to secondary, the classes have been cancelled, and so therefore most students, the primary and the secondary students, are now in the house doing their house-based activity given by the schools. Okay, now because I am a teacher by profession, specialized in mathematics, statistics, science and physics, and I'm doing this one to help the students, especially the parents, to lighten up your load, because I know that you also want to have a someone that can also explain, especially on the topic that you parents could not assist your children. So here I am, Mr. Deli Shoes. I am a Filipino, but I'm here teaching here in Papua New Guinea. Okay, now you can see I am holding a ball. Okay, I'm actually just like pretending to be very good at playing basketball. This is a basketball. I know you can recognize it. This is a basketball. Now, I have a collection of balls. So I'm gonna show you first my first collection, basketball. Okay, Filipinos love basketball. Okay, so that's the first one. But actually, I am not very good at. I'm not good at playing basketball, because I know how to play, but I'm not good. Okay. Anyway, next one I'm going to show you is this one. What is this? This is a volleyball. Okay. No, a volleyball. Yes, it is a volleyball. I think not a netball. Okay. So it is a volleyball, and this is my second collection of ball. I'm just collecting it because I'm just having it in my house, because I love watching games also. Okay, so I am only very good as being a spectator and a supporter. Okay, next one, I have a soccer ball. This is a soccer ball. So which team are you for the what do you call it, World Cup? Oh my goodness, which team are you? Huh? What team do you support? Oh, I think I support, Portugal. Okay? Portugal. I support Portugal and Spain. Okay. This and also other South American countries because they love soccer over there. Okay. So this is a soccer ball. I love watching soccer game. So that's my third collection of the ball. My fourth collection of the ball is, oh people, what is this? What is this? This is a rugby ball. Okay, if you are here in Papua New Guinea, if you're Papua New Guinean, you will notice that Papua New Guinean love rugby. Okay, so they support different teams, NRL. Okay, this is Rusta. Ah, don't ask me if I support Rusta because I am also holding my second collection of the rugby ball, which is the Cowboys. Okay, Cowboys. Okay, now state of origin. Am I blues or maroons? Okay, that is not the purpose of my video here. But anyway, these are my collection of the rugby ball. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, this is me, Mr. Deli Shoes, and I have just presented to you my collection of balls. Now, that means that we now continue our lesson. I have to remove this one now so that you can see my eyes, so you will feel the sincerity of my tutorial. Okay, you have to remember that from my heart. This is from my heart. I am giving this to you. I am serving you. Even if we are far away from each other, you are in your own house, and I am here in my own mini library. Okay, but we can still have that contact, this connection, in order to share my expertise to you, especially in this area of mathematics. For the grade 8, this is for the tutorial. I want you to be ready for your education and for your national examination. But before I'm gonna proceed, I will first drink my favorite water, which is a water mixed with ginger and lemon. All right, because I have to make sure that oh, sorry, I also put garlic in here. Okay, I want you also to do the same thing. I want you to be hydrated, drink a lot of liquid, and make sure that you are hydrated. Okay, now let us now proceed to our revision. Okay, the first one, we were in our second lesson, we were talking about factorizing algebraic expression. Okay, so I've given you 10 questions for you to do in the house, and like what I've said, every time I give you an activity for you to do, you must do it so that when you watch my next video, you will be able to compare your answer to my answer here. Okay, let's have the first one. Factorize 3x minus 6. Okay, so this is my answer. So compare. Do we have the same answer? Guys, ladies and gentlemen, do we have the same answer? Okay, my answer here is 3 open x minus 2. Okay, I don't want to explain it further now because we have to proceed to our next lesson for today, which is substitution, evaluating algebraic expression. So please check your answer if we have the same answer here. Okay, next one, question number 2 is 60x minus 40xy. Okay, here is my factored answer for the given algebraic expression over there. 60x minus 40xy. Okay, so the answer is 20x open, 3 minus 2y close. Okay, so parents, if you are watching this, please guide your children for this topic on factorizing algebraic expression. Okay, so I don't need to explain how I got this answer because we have our deep discussion last time. So therefore, you just have to check your answer, compare your answer with my answer over here, and if you got it right, then you need to put a tick on it. Be proud, okay? Be proud that you got it correctly. And comment below and let me know how many did you score out of 10. Is it okay? Comment below and tell me how many did you score. Okay? All right. Next one is our number 3 question. Okay, we have our number 3. Pi r square minus 2 pi r. Okay? You get it? Pi r square minus 2 pi r. So this is my answer. Is my answer there? Pi r square minus 2 pi r. My answer is pi r, open, r minus 2, and closed. Okay? So I have to take the common factor of each term. And then I put it outside. Pi is common. Pi is common. R is common. R here. 2 r's in here. So I have to put 1 r. And then it's a common r. So the highest common factor of this given expression is pi r. Put it outside. And then we have r minus 2. You get it right? Okay? Perfect. Okay? Thank you for that one. Next one, let's proceed to our question number 4. Our question number 4. This is our question number 4. Question number 4 is 36p minus 30pq. Okay? I hope that you have written all of this in your exercise book so that when we are already into our next video, at least you can go back and check. Okay? So this is my answer now. Alright? 36p minus 30pq. So 36 and 30, the highest common factor is 6. And then p here and then p. So I have to put p outside. Okay? And therefore, the factored form now is 6p open 6 minus 5q. Okay? 36 divided by 6 is 6. P, that is 1. So no more p here. 30 divided by negative divided by positive is negative. 30 divided by 6 is 5. P, Q, and P cancel that P. You are now left with Q only. And that is our question number 4. Okay. Next, question number 5. Okay. Question number 5 is here. Our question number 5 is x, open, x plus y close, minus 7, open, x plus y, and close. And check this one, they're the same. So if this one will appear in any examination and then you are asked to factorize, then you should know what to do. This is the factorized form of the given expression. Okay? So you copy this x, this positive x, you combine it with minus 7. So, where is... x minus 7. This is supposed to be, okay, this one is supposed to be 7. Okay, so typing error here. Alright. Okay, so it's supposed to be x minus 7. X minus 7. Okay, can you see it? X minus 7. So x minus 7 and x plus y. Remember, the operation here is multiplication. Now, the question there now is it still the same if we interchange the arrangement of the answer? For example, is it still correct to write down x plus y first over here, open and close, and then open followed by x minus 7. Is it still correct? All right? Yes. The answer is it is still correct. Okay? Because the operation is multiplication, so you can interchange it. So be very careful about it, because in the exam, it might turn out that, especially if it is a multiple choice, it might turn out that this term here, x plus y, is being written first and then followed by x minus 7. Okay? All right. So, next one, question number 6. Question number 6 is over here. 12a squared b plus 8ab squared. Okay, I have to position on this side here now, since we are on this side. 12a squared b plus 8ab squared. So this is now the answer. Okay, please check your work. Check, 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 check. All right, check your work, people. Check your work, students around the world. Check your work, students in Papua New Guinea, in the Philippines, and students around the world. Please, if you are following my video tutorial in mathematics, check your work. Check your work. Okay? All right. So this is the answer for AB, 3A plus 2B. Okay? Next one is our question. Question number, okay, here. What is this? Question number 7. Okay. Question number 7 is negative 2a minus 8a squared. Negative 2a minus 8a squared. So this is now my answer. You notice that negative 2a minus 8a squared, when you are going to factorize, the negative sign of our first term must be also be taken over here in our factored form, our factor here, so that we come up with the one inside with a plus, a positive sign. 1 plus 4a. Check your work, okay, for question number 7. Okay, question number 7, check your work. Okay, so that's the 7. Next one is question number 8. Question number 8. This is our question number 8. Negative x cubed minus x squared minus x. So this is the working out and the final and correct answer. Okay? Check your work if you are a grade 7, if you are a grade 8, if you are a grade 9, if you are a grade 10, or grade 11, or grade 12, watch this video, because this is part of your revision to the basic on factorizing algebraic expression. So check your work, grade 8. You got it right? Okay, you tell me later, huh? You have to comment below so that I will know whether you got it right. So that I will be able to assist you more by having more revision if you didn't get it right. You tell me, all right? Tell me about it. Because Mr. Deli Shoes is here, and I am giving my full heart in this video, my commitment. And since I already have it in here, I'm sharing it to you, okay? So let's just help each other in this time of crisis, since we're having a global crisis due to the pandemic. Okay, next one is question number 9. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you my answer for question number 9, and I want you to confirm your answer also, because I have given you how many days? I think 2 days. This is Tuesday, and I uploaded my second lesson on Sunday. So, I've given you almost 2 days. Okay? So now, let's have question number 9. Question number 9, 2y, open, x plus y minus x. This is the same as the other. So, what have you noticed here? 2y, I combine it with minus x, because this one and this terms are the same. So I just copy 2y minus x. So I have 2y minus x, and copy the common x plus y. Or you can interchange it, writing this x plus y first, followed by 2y minus x. Okay? You just have to be very smart on checking it. They're just the same because the operation is multiplication, so you can swap. It's okay to swap. All right? Okay. Next one is question number 10. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, question number 10. Our question number 10 is m to the power of 4 minus 3m to the power of 3. So, since our first term that has only a numerical coefficient of 1, and the second term has a numerical coefficient of 3, therefore, our highest common factor numerical coefficient is 1. Okay? And m to the power of 4, m to the power of 3. So the highest common factor between these literal coefficients m to the power of 4 and m to the power of 3 is m3. So now you have m to the power of 4 divided by m to the power of 3 is equal to m to the power of 1, or simply m. I did not write power 1 here anymore because, like what we have discussed, a base or a variable that stands alone is understood to have a power of 1 or understood to have a numerical coefficient of 1. You get it? Kisim? Nakuha ninyo ba? Ako mga igala din na ba sa mga Bisaya ba? Okay? Sana nakuha nyo ang aking pagpaliwanag sa mga Filipino na speaking Tagalog. Okay. Now, okay. So you kisim I'll get sumatinlo Papua New Guinea, grade 8 or grade 7, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, or grade 12. Okay? So, now this is the answer now. Okay, now, I wrote here or because you can write it here m to the power of 3, that is no more 1 as the coefficient. Now take note that in the exam, sometimes you will not see a coefficient of 1 over here anymore because it is understood to have that this one has a numerical coefficient of 1. Okay? And then m to the power m minus 3. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, my students, wherever you are in the world, tell me what did you score out of 10 in our activity for the topic Factorizing Algebraic Expression. Raise your right hand. Comment below and tell me if you scored the perfect score or whatever score you got, you let me know and you comment and tell me where did you go wrong and tell me how can I assist you more. All right? Okay, I hope the parents also are attending to this one so that you will be able to guide your children when you are going to tutor them in the house. Okay, now let's proceed now to our topic this afternoon. Is it afternoon? Oh, okay. We are still on the algebra, and like what I've told you, we are now on to the topic on, this topic is on substitution, which is, in substitution we are going to find the algebraic expression. Find the algebraic expression. Okay, so our topic is on substitution. All right, substitution. Okay, that's substitution, and evaluating algebraic expressions. Now the question here is, what is evaluating algebraic expression? How do we evaluate algebraic expression? So take note on this one here. All right? To evaluate an algebraic expression, An algebraic expression, okay, an algebraic expression means that what? It means that you are going to find the value of the expression when the variable is replaced by a given number. Okay. Second one, how do we evaluate an algebraic expressions? What does it mean? Okay, is we substitute. That's why our topic here is substitution. We substitute means substitute the given. It's the same as replace and substitute. So substitute the given number for the variable in the given expression. In the given expression. In the given expression, and then simplify the expression, using the order of operations. Using the order of operations. Okay? So, these are the rules of evaluating algebraic expression. Okay? Alright, so let's have this example on evaluating algebraic expression. How do we evaluate algebraic expression? So, according to the definition of evaluating an algebraic expression, you're going to find the value of the expression when the variable is replaced by a given number, or substitute the given number for the variable in the given expression, and then simplify the expression using the order of operation. So let's have this example here. Okay, I'm gonna use, so usually in the exam, whatever maths examination you are going to sit, there will always be an instruction that states like this. Okay, the statement will always be like this. All right. All right. So we have, it will always say evaluate. Once you encounter this instruction, evaluate, that is what it meant here. You're going to find the value of the given expression by substituting the values of the variable in the given expression. All right. So evaluate. So I would just say evaluate. In your exam, you will just be given the instruction evaluate. So evaluate. Let's have this first example. Okay. There's no need for you to see me. So let's have this number 1. If, can you see it there? Yes. If P equals -3 and Q equals -4, what would be the value? Evaluate when A equals P square minus Q square, and then letter B, we have P plus Q to the power of 2 And the third one is letter C. Let's have here letter C. Our letter C is Q, open bracket, P minus 1. All right. So this is the usual question that you will encounter. So you have to substitute. That is what evaluation of the expression is meant. The P, you have to check carefully. P is equal to negative 3 and Q is equal to negative 4. So therefore, you need to substitute this value of the variable P and Q in the given expression. Now take note here, our expression P squared minus Q squared, it means to say that P is going to be multiplied by itself 2 times and Q as well. So we have to use, you must always use the symbol in order to ensure the evaluation. So we have P is negative 3 to the power of 2 minus close bracket to the power of 2 minus open bracket Q is negative 4 to the power of 2. It is always necessary to use the symbol, especially if the given value of the variable is a negative value. All right. So now we have our answer now is equal to, okay, what is our answer now? Okay, it should be here. Our answer now is negative 3 to the power of 2. So how many times are we multiplying negative 3 by itself? How many times? Since the power is 2. Very good. 2 times. We multiply negative 3 by itself 2 times. So that means to say, I'm going to bring this one here, over here. So to this side here, so that we can see it. So here we have negative 3 times negative 3. Are you following? All right. So we multiply the negative 3 by itself 2 times. So negative 3 to the power of 2. So that it means that negative 3 times negative 3 minus the same thing that you're going to do. You also multiply negative 4 by itself 2 times. So I can use the symbol here, bracket, to separate. So it's easy for me to identify. So I have to use the other side. So that means negative 4 times negative 4. So meaning to say, the negative 4, which is the base, raised to a power of 2, when you are going to evaluate it, you are going to multiply negative 4 by itself 2 times. Now, I have a question. What if the power is 3? How many times are you going to multiply negative 4? Yes, very good. You are going to multiply negative 4 by itself 3 times. So it's going to be negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. If the power is 4, then you are going to multiply the base by itself negative 4 times. Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. You got it now? All right. Next, we have our final answer here will be now negative times negative equals positive. 3 times 3 is positive 9 minus negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Very good. So now we have 9 minus 16 is equal to 9, positive 9 minus positive 16, or 9 minus 16 is equal to, what is the rule of directed numbers? This will be now negative, tell me, negative 7. Very good. Okay? Negative 7. 9 minus 16 is equal to negative 7. You get it now? Okay? Alright, let's come now. Let's find out the difference. So, here the answer is negative 7. So, usually, when we evaluate an algebraic expression, it will give us a value of the expression after we have substituted the value of the variable in the given algebraic expression. So negative 7, it will just only give us a value or a number. Okay, next, what about this? What does it mean with this expression here? How do you read this expression? All right, this expression, how do you read this? All right, so look at this one. P plus Q is enclosed with the symbol parenthesis, open and close, P plus Q to the power of 2. What does it mean? What does it tell us? Okay, it tells us that the base, the power 2 has a common base of P plus Q. It is not just only for P, it is not just only for Q, but P plus Q is the common base of the power or the exponent or the index 2. Alright? So when we substitute it, it will become like this. What is the value of P? Negative 3. So that is negative 3 plus, what is the value of negative 4? The value of Q is negative 4. Okay, so let's not be serious. Sometimes let's have fun in our tutorial. So let's just laugh because this is just so easy. Okay, mathematics is just like about those basketball, volleyball, soccer ball, and rugby ball. It's just like that kind of game. So mathematics is just like a game. So you play with me, let's play each other, and I'm pretty sure you are going to become very good at maths. All right, just give your time, dedicate your time to this tutorial. Okay, so our Q is negative 4. Now because this one is a plus sign and our Q is negative, then I can use another symbol here, this one, and then indicating to separate negative 4, close. So maybe I can use a brackets over here. That's bracket, bracket, because I am using a parenthesis inside, so I have to make sure that I have to use the other symbol. And then this is to the power of 2. Can you see it there? Okay, very good. All right. So now we have negative 3 plus negative 4. What is the rule when we are adding numbers with the same sign or like sign? Okay, very good. We are just going to add the numbers and copy the sign. Negative 7. Now I will now use parenthesis to the power of 2. Okay, what is now our final and correct answer over here? To the power of 2. Negative 7 is the base, raised to the power of 2. How many times are we going to multiply negative 7 by itself? Very good, 2 times. So it is going to be negative 7 multiplied by negative 7. What is the product? Negative times negative. What is the sign? Very good. Positive. Positive 7 when you are multiplying negative times negative. So what about the product 7 times 7? What is the product when we multiply 7 times 7? 49. Very good. So now we have a positive answer, 49. And 49 is the value of the given expression. You get it now? All right. Very good. All right. Next, what about this one? Our second, I have to put it somewhere here. All right, so that is letter C. Letter C is Q, open P minus 1. So I can use this space over here. Okay. Next one is, what about this? All right. Before you will perform the operation, it is best for you to substitute the value. Okay. So the value of our Q is -4. So put -4 over here. Open. The value of our P is -3. So we have -3 minus 1 and then close. Okay, now take note here, whenever an expression is using a symbol, you must perform first the operation inside the grouping symbol. So we have to rewrite -4, and then what is the answer for -3 minus 1? -3 minus 1. What is the answer? Come again, come again. What is it? -3 minus 1. When we perform that one, what is the rule? -3 minus 1. Yes, very good. You got it right. The correct answer is -4. Okay? So it is -4 when we perform -3 minus 1. Okay? It will be just like -3 minus 1. Okay? So what is the rule of directed numbers when we are subtracting it? Okay? This is our first number. This is our second number. And the operation is minus. So in the subtraction of integers, you have to change the minus into plus, but the sign of your second number, which is positive, will become negative. So therefore, -3 plus -1 equals -4. Okay? So now, we have -4 over here. We can now multiply. Take note, when we use a symbol and there's a number outside, the operation over here is multiplication. So we multiply -4 times -4. So let's do it first, the sign. Negative times negative. Positive, very good, correct. 4 times 4. Very good, 16. So positive 16 or simply 16 is the answer. You get it right now? Is it clear now? Okay. Do you want another one before I'll give you the activity question? Okay. So let's have another one here. I'll erase this. Another one so that it will strengthen your knowledge on evaluating algebraic expression. This is for the grade 8 students. The grade 8 students. Grade 8 students or even the grade 7 students, you can already attend to this one. Okay, I want you to bring your mathematics level of understanding higher now. Don't wait for next year. You can do an advanced lesson. If you're watching to this one, copy, download, and view all of this many times until you will understand it. Just keep on listening and viewing it. All right? Okay. All right. Next now, let's have the second activity that I want to give you. All right. So we have, I will write it here, letter B. This one is not working. So, letter B, you are still